Hello everyone, this is Ayman Khurram and I hope you all are doing great and enjoying my videos. हम कर रहे हैं Think New Syllabus Mathematics 8th edition book 1 D1. This is exercise 4C and we are doing question number 8. So let's start doing the first part of question number 8. In this part we have minus 55 plus small bracket may we have minus 10 and then minus 12. As you all know, according to the board mass rule, we will solve the bracket first. So what we will gonna do, minus 55 plus minus minus, this minus sign will multiply with this minus sign inside, and we all know in multiplication sign change according to the rule. So plus minus will be equal to minus and 10 bracket open. Now this minus 12 will come down as it is, right? Now we will solve these two things first, these two numbers first. There is no multiplication here, so minus minus plus, yes, process will be plus, क्योंकि हमें पता है एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में हमने दो चीज़ों का ख्याल रखना होता है, एक प्रोसेस का और एक साइन का. I'm talking about addition and subtraction of integers. और addition और subtraction of integers में process हमने देखना होता है according to the rule होगा, और sign bigger number का. sign हमारा किसका होगा? bigger number का. But in multiplication and in division, process according to the operation होगा, जो भी operation है, process या multiply का होगा या division का होगा, but sign change according to the rule. sign according to the rule. Clear? So in this step, in first step, because of this bracket, we know that whatever will be outside of the bracket will go inside and multiply with that sign, with that number. So that's why plus go inside and multiply with minus, plus minus, resultant is minus. Now in this step, second step, there is no multiplication involved, so we have to keep two things in mind. Process according to the rule and sign will be of bigger number. So I'm going to solve these two, minus 55 and minus 10 first. Minus minus plus, process plus का और sign बड़े number का, which is minus. So minus 12 will come down as it is. Now again minus minus plus process plus का और साइन किसका? बड़े नंबर का, विच इज 65 के साथ साइन कौन सा है? माइनस का. सो वी विल हैव minus 77 एज एन आंसर. Right? Now let's move to another part. Here we have a square bracket. So first we will not solve any other part. We will solve the bracket first. So minus 12 will come down as it is. This minus sign will come as it is. Square bracket minus 8, देर इज़ नो साइन हेयर. अगर यहाँ कोई साइन होता, लेट से माइनस का साइन होता, देन दिस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई होता अंदर. बिकॉज एज देर इज़ नो साइन हेयर, okay, so as there is no sign here, so what we will do, we will open this bracket. So it will be minus 8 minus minus, this minus will go and multiply with this minus 2. So minus minus plus, क्योंकि multiplication में sign change according to the rule. So plus 2 and all small brackets solved, plus 3 will come as it is. Now minus 12 minus, we will solve this bracket. दिस इज एन एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. माइनस प्लस माइनस होता है, हम माइनस करेंगे 8 से 2 को, विच विल बी 6 एंड साइन विल बी ऑफ बिगर नंबर विच इज़ minus 6. क्लोज द ब्रैकेट and plus 3 will come down as it is. Now there is nothing to solve inside, so what we will do, we will open this bracket. Minus 12, this minus will go inside and make it plus. Minus minus plus 6 plus 3, right? Now this square bracket is solved. So what we are gonna do now, we will solve these two numbers first. minus plus minus 12 से 6 जाएंगे तो 6, और साइन किसका? बड़े नंबर का, विच इज़ 12, and plus 3 will come down as it is. Again minus plus माइनस होता है, प्रोसेस माइनस का होगा. 6 से 3 जाएंगे तो 3 और साइन किसका, बड़े नंबर का. सो दैट्स वाई द आंसर विल बी -3. Very good. Now let me reinforce all that points once again. Multiplication और division में sign change according to the rule, लेकिन ऐसा addition and subtraction of integers में नहीं होता. addition and subtraction of integers में sign हम हमेशा बड़े नंबर का यूज़ करते हैं और process according to the rule होता है. Start solving this question now. -100 I will solve the bracket first. Plus minus multiplication में sign change. -45 plus minus -5 plus 20. Right? All these small brackets are solved. Now अब मैं इन दो नंबर्स को पहले सॉल्व करूँगी तो माइनस माइनस प्लस होता है, प्रोसेस प्लस का होगा, साइन बड़े नंबर का, क्योंकि इसमें एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन है, इसमें कोई मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं है. व्हाट अबाउट दीज -5 and +20? दे विल कम डाउन एज इट इज. नाउ माइनस माइनस प्लस, अगेन आई विल प्लस दीज टू नंबर्स. इट विल बी 150 और साइन जो बड़े नंबर के साथ है वो वाला आएगा, विच इज़ 145 इज़ अपेरेंटली अ बिगर नंबर. सो उसके साथ माइनस का साइन है, वी विल यूज़ द माइनस साइन एंड +20. माइनस प्लस माइनस करेंगे, प्रोसेस विल बी माइनस एंड साइन विल बी ऑफ बिगर नंबर विच इज़ माइनस. सो 130 विल बी द आंसर. Now let's move to other part. Here we have -2 plus 3 into 15. So here we have two operations at the same time. There is a addition subtraction in these two numbers, but there is a multiplication into between these two numbers. So we have to see what operation we will do first, and according to the BODMAS rule, we will do the division first, then comes multiplication, then comes addition and subtraction. So please keep this thing in mind. Usually students do mistake. They start solving this question by doing the addition subtraction first, which is absolutely wrong. सबसे पहले अगर हमने कुछ करना है तो हमने इस प्रोसेस में वी विल डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फर्स्ट, देन वी विल गो फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द ऑपरेशंस. सो -2 विल कम एज इट इज़. नाउ +3 is multiplying with 15. 15 has no sign. So any number which has no sign means it has positive sign, right? So plus plus will be plus. And 3 15s are 45. लेट मी रिपीट इट वंस अगेन. अगर एक ही लाइन में आपके पास एडिशन भी हो, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी हो और डिवीजन भी हो, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द BODMAS रूल हम क्या पहले करते हैं, हम सबसे पहले DMAS रूल यूज़ करेंगे. D फॉर डिवीजन, राइट, एंड M फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, A फॉर एडिशन एंड S फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो वट वी विल गोना डू, जब हमारे पास ये चारों काम इकट्ठे आए तो वी विल डू द डिवीजन फर्स्ट, then we will go for the multiplication, then for addition and subtraction. But in this particular question there is no division, so what we gonna do, we will do the multiplication between the addition and subtraction. So that's why I will multiply this part first. So 15 3s are 45, -2. Now plus minus करेंगे 43 और साइन किसका, बड़े नंबर का, विच इज़ प्लस. यस, सो +43 विल बी द answer. Now come to this. Here we see two brackets, -5 and -2, and here we have -3. These two brackets are multiplying with each other, but before multiplying these two brackets, what I will do, I will solve the brackets first. ये जो bracket है -5 -2 वाली, I will solve it first. So minus minus प्लस होता है, प्रोसेस विल बी प्लस, और साइन किसका, बड़े नंबर का, विच इज़ माइनस. सो -7 और इस वाली ब्रैकेट में ऑलरेडी वी हैव -3. What does it mean when two numbers are enclosed in brackets and they are just attached to each other? Means minus 7 is multiplying with minus 3. This bracket means multiplication, right? So minus 7 is multiplying with minus 3, minus minus will become plus क्योंकि multiplication में sign change according to the rule, and 7 threes are 21, so plus 21 will be the answer. Let's go for another question. Here we see a bracket. यहाँ हमें एक bracket दिख रही है. Okay, we have a division sign और इस तरफ multiplication है. और अगर ये सब कुछ आए तो हम we will solve the bracket first. सबसे पहले हमने bracket solve करनी है. We will do the other things later. Minus 25 into minus 4 divided by, we will solve the bracket first, plus minus, minus होता है 32 से 12 माइनस करेंगे, the answer will be 20 और साइन किसका, बड़े नंबर का, which is plus. So now here we have multiplication and here we have division. Minus 25 or minus 4, they both are multiplying with each other, but minus 4 is getting divided by plus 20. तो जैसे मैंने पहले डिस्कस किया, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डी मैथ्स रूल, what we will do first, we will do the division first. I have erased that part. We will do the division first. So okay, minus 25 को हम बाद में देखते हैं क्या करना है. Can I write minus 4 divided by plus 20? Right? हम डिवीजन को इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. Minus 4 is getting divided by plus 20. It's like a fraction now. और फ्रैक्शन के दो साइन कभी भी नहीं होते. वी हैव टू डिसाइड कि इसका क्या साइन होगा. सो माइनस 25 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस प्लस माइनस. डिवीजन में भी साइन चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल. सो माइनस प्लस विल बिकम minus, and I will simplify this as 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. So this fraction will be minus 1 over 5. Now there is a fraction minus 1 over 5 multiplying with minus 25. There is no denominator, so I will assume there is 1 in the denominator, right, to make it a fraction as well. Now two fractions are multiplying means we can cross cut the numbers. Numerator will not cut the numerator, denominator will not cut the denominator, but एक न्यूमरेटर एक डिनोमिनेटर को कट कर सकता है. सबसे पहले साइन डिसाइड करते हैं. माइनस माइनस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होकर विल बिकम प्लस, एंड 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. एक डिनोमिनेटर एक न्यूमरेटर, वी कैन कट. 5 ones are 5 और नीचे है 1 ones are 1 और नीचे 1 की कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं होती. So the answer will be plus 5. So the answer will be plus 5. Done. Our question is done. Pretty simple. Now move on to the next part. It seems interesting and a little tricky at the same time. While you have to be quite mindful and vigilant while you are solving this part. अब इसको सॉल्व करना शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले तो हम ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे. सो 3 विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाई minus 3 square. Minus 3 square means minus 3 is multiplying with itself. So minus minus plus and 3 3s are 9. Minus 3 के स्क्वायर का आंसर क्या आएगा? It will be plus 9. Right? And this 3 has no sign, so it will be plus as well. Minus, now we will solve the bracket. This square is outside of the bracket. अगर ये square यहाँ होता तो इसका मतलब होना था 2 का square, but this time this square is outside of the bracket. So what will be the answer of this bracket? We will take the square of that one. So let's solve the bracket. 7 से 2 minus करें, it will be 5 और हमने 5 का square लेना है. Okay, so 3 is multiplying with 9. So plus 3 is multiplying with plus 9 minus what will be the square of 5? It will be 25. Now here we have multiplication and here we have addition and subtraction. So what we will do, according to the DMAS rule, we will do the multiplication first. So plus 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 9 threes are 27 minus 25, and this is pretty simple. Now plus minus minus hota hai, 27 से 25 को minus किया, we will have 2 as an answer, and sign will be of bigger number, which is plus. So plus 2 will be the answer. Right, now we will do the next part. इसमें we can see a square bracket, and we can see a small bracket inside, and as I have already mentioned, we will solve the bracket first. Brackets को solve करते हुए सबसे पहले हमें small bracket को solve करना होता है, then comes square bracket, and then comes curly bracket. In this question we have a small bracket and then we have a square bracket. तो सबसे पहले हम small bracket को solve करेंगे. 5 बाहर है, बाहर ही रहेगा. 3 is multiplying with minus 2. So what will be the answer? This 3 has no sign. So what will be the sign? It means it will be plus. Plus minus, minus, and 3 twos are 6. Right, and this minus 10 will come down as it is. This bracket is solved because 3 twos are minus 6, right? Now what we will do, 5, and now we will see the answer of this one. Minus minus प्लस होता है, हम प्लस करेंगे, लेकिन साइन किसका? बड़े नंबर का. And now minus 16 is multiplying with 5, so its answer will be minus 80. Right, now we will see this part, and again this is pretty simple. It seems difficult, but actually it's not. Minus 12 divided by, we will start solving the bracket. So 2 square will be 4. This minus is different, so yeah, this minus, there is nothing to solve inside. So what we will do, we will multiply this minus sign with the minus 2 inside. So minus minus will become plus 2, or square bracket close. There is nothing to solve inside the bracket. minus 2 ने और कुछ भी नहीं करना था, otherwise हम पहले bracket solve करते, फिर हम उस bracket को open करते, but there is nothing to solve inside. So that's why मैंने इस minus को I multiply inside minus 2. Right, so minus 12 divided by, what will be the answer of this? It will be 6. Plus का 4 plus का 2, so plus plus plus, और sign किसका? बड़े number का, which is plus. Now can I write minus 12 is getting divided by plus 6? Yeah, there will be only one sign of the fraction. So हम division देखते हैं. minus plus minus होता है, एक ही sign होगा fraction का, वो होगा minus. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So your answer will be minus 2. Done. How simple this part is. We just need to be a little careful while we are dealing with these signs, क्योंकि हमें उनका ध्यान रखना होता है कि उसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. This is the last part of question number 8, and let's see how to solve it. Square root will be the square root, right? So 10 will be the 10, because we need to solve the bracket first. And if we see closely, minus 3 is multiplying with minus 2. Okay, so minus minus will become plus, and 3 twos are 6. And 10 plus 6 will be 16. And if we take the square root of 16, our answer will be 4. And this is it. This is it. We are done with the question number 8 of exercise 4C. Hopefully you get all parts and you finding this video quite helpful. Thank you for watching the video, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Do subscribe Solve with Eman.